Let's learn with JoJo. Red, yellow, blue, green. Look, there is a new friend. Its name is Bingo. We all love Bingo. Bingo likes to play hide and seek. Where is Bingo? Aha! Bingo is here! Oh, Bingo seems to be hungry. Let's feed it. Huh? What sound is that? Oh, Bingo is hungry. It wants to have dog food. Bingo, wait. Let's open the package first. Please. Yeah, well done. Pour the dog food in the bowl. Huh? It looks like Bingo wants to have something else to eat. Oh, Bingo wants to have canned food. Be patient, Bingo. Let me open the can for you. Please help Bingo. Wow, you are great! Put the canned food in the bowl. Bingo is thirsty. Please help open the bottle. Wow, you are awesome! Pour the water into the bowl. Bingo wants to go out and play. Let's play! Yeah! Wow, let's play in the park! JoJo is walking with Bingo. Bingo pooped. Oh no! Where is Bingo? Let's find Bingo together! Bingo is hiding. Let's find out where he is. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo! A big rooster! It's a squirrel! Bingo has been found! You are amazing! The naughty Bingo is hiding again. Let's find it. It's a squirrel! Cuckoo, cuckoo! A big roost! Wow! A super cute kitten! Bingo has been found! You are amazing! Bingo is having a great time! Love you! Bingo is dirty all over. Let's give Bingo a bath. La 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 la. Bingo is taking a bath. Please remove the leaves with tweezers. Throw the leaves in the waste. Oh no, Bingo's feet are so dirty. Please wash them clean. Whoosh! Aim at the bacteria and get rid of them. And wipe off the soil. Wow, Bingo's feet are so clean! Put on some shower gel and wash Bingo clean. Bingo looks like a ball in bubbles. So cute! Whoosh! It's time to rinse off the bubbles! Please put Bingo on the chair. Please help Bingo get dried soon, otherwise Bingo might catch a cold. Bingo becomes good friends with everyone and fits into JoJo's big family.